So one of the fastest ways that you can make your own wood signs is to actually press HTV onto the wood instead of using permanent adhesive vinyl. So you're going to cut your wood sign design into HTV. We're using Caesar Easy Weed here. And then weed out the excess from around the design. And a lot of people find that weeding HTV is easier than weeding adhesive vinyl, so you may find that this method is preferable. And the wood sign design that we're using comes from the Winter Crafters SVG bundle at So Fontsy. So there's a link in the video description if you want to check it out. And we're going to be using a heat press to press the HTV onto this wood blank. So one thing to keep in mind is that the wood that you use will need to be thin and flat and small enough for you to fit it on your heat press. So you'll also want to protect your heat press. So place a piece of parchment on the lower platen and then the wood blank. And then before even turning on the heat press, you'll want to fiddle around with the pressure. So do several test presses, and you'll need to loosen the pressure significantly to accommodate that thickness of the wood. And then once you're ready to press, then it is very similar to how you'll press HTV onto like a shirt or something. So you'll place the weeded HTV transfer face down, and unlike adhesive vinyl with HTV transfers, you can peel it back up and rearrange it if it doesn't go in exactly the right spot that you wanted the first time. But when you're ready to press, you'll want to cover everything with another piece of parchment and then press and repeat for any other colors of HTV you might have, and then remove the carrier sheet. And the wood will be a little bit warm, a little bit hot, so you'll want to wait for it to cool, but then it really is that fast to create your own wood sign with heat transfer vinyl. So in almost no time, you've got a beautiful wood sign that's then ready to be gifted or sold to a customer or used to decorate your own home. And if you like the design that we use, then you can grab it for yourself in the link in the video description to the Winter Crafters SVG bundle at So Fontsy. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.